Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and in today's video I'm taking you along with me on our summer morning routine. I'm so excited you are here. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we go any further in today's video, I want to go ahead and thank our sponsor, Lumi. I've shared Lumi with you before and I am thrilled to be sharing them again. Lumi is a whole body deodorant for pits, privates, and beyond. We're talking boobs, belly buttons, butt cracks, feet, and more. Lumi was created by OBGYN Shannon Klingman and is clinically proven to block odor for up to 72 hours. It's summertime here in New England and it is steamy and I refuse to be smelly. I've been using the Lumi cream deodorant in toasted coconut for well over a year now. I seriously love it. It smells like a delicious macaron and you can literally put it anywhere. It rubs right into your skin like lotion. It leaves no residue, doesn't irritate my skin or stain my clothes. On these hot New England days, you can put it anywhere on your body and know that you are not going to be smelly at the end of the day. Lumi is skin safe, baking soda free, cruelty free, paraben free, vegan, and pH optimized to be used anywhere on your body. And I mean anywhere. They have a wide variety of aluminum free products with 8 different scents, so there's something for everyone. Lumi also comes in multiple options, including traditional stick deodorant, cream, and their new easy to apply 360-degree spray. Lumi's starter pack bundle is a great option for new customers. It comes with a full-size stick deodorant, a cream deodorant tube or spray, 2 free products like the wipes or the mini body wash, free US shipping, and Lumi is offering an additional $5 off when you use the link in my description box and use code CGROVE at checkout. That's a deal of over 40% off. I'll have everything linked for you down below. If you've never tried Lumi, now is the time. It is a hot, steamy summer, and Lumi will make sure that you are never smelling funky. Thank you again to Lumi for sponsoring today's video.
Porch.